Counselor here, and thank you so much for joining me on my channel today on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing product. It is called Pretreat by Winn Pro. It is a clarifying spray, and I'm going to be demonstrating today in this video on how you can use it either at home or in the salon as well. It is an amazing product. I absolutely love this product, and I will be showing you on my own hair how this product works throughout this entire video, so stay tuned to the very end so that you can get all the amazing content that this video has to offer. So without further ado, in today's video, we are going to be learning about this product. So I'm going to start off with what this product does and if this product is for you or not. So what a clarifying either shampoo or conditioner does to the hair is it takes all of those mineral buildups, the buildup from shampoos, the buildup from conditioner, the buildup from hair products that have gotten on the hair, as well as hard water buildup and different chemical buildups that are just naturally around us. And this is going to help strip all of that gross, nasty, awful stuff out of your hair. And this is going to do it in a really quick, simple, and easy way that is also super effective. So the difference between a clarifying spray and this product, based off of different clarifying shampoos, is that a clarifying shampoo you just kind of rinse through the hair. This actually is going to sit on the hair for either 5 to 10 minutes. You can go a little bit longer if you do feel like you need it and your hair is just like mine, that is super damaged, has a lot of buildup on it, and really needs a good soak. So I'm gonna let mine sit for probably about 15 minutes. Once again, I would just test your hair and make sure that you know how long you want to have it sit for. If you have used this product before and you are just doing one in a couple weeks or something like that, then you would not want this to sit as long. You could go from that 5 to 10 minutes. You could just gauge, how often do you use product? Do you use hairspray a lot? How often do you wash your hair? How often do you use color on your hair? Different things like that is going to help you determine whether or not you should have this product be on your hair a little bit longer or for less time. So this is something that I do with my clients. If they're sitting in my chair and I'm looking at their hair, we're going through the consultation, we're talking about what their hair needs and some things that may be able to help it. This is something that I do to be able to test on my own hair as well as my client's hair. And that is, if you take your a couple strands of hair, just kind of a good chunk, and you put your hair up like this, it's supposed to naturally flop over. If your hair stands straight up like this, it's not a good sign. It's actually a sign that there is mineral buildup, there is buildup from hard water, there's buildup from so many different things, products, so much that we put on our hair and just naturally is in the environment around us. If you have hard water, if you're not sure, if you don't have a water softener, then you have hard water. And if you're not sure, ask somebody in your household if you have hard water or soft water. Even if you do have soft water, sometimes this buildup can be caused by that as well, but mostly for those who use product or have hard water, this is going to be for you. So you can even, while you're watching this video, take a strand and just kind of hold it up like this and see if it flops over or if it stands straight up. If it stands straight up like mine, this is going to be something that you're going to want to get. I will put it in the comments below of a link to this product. It is directly, that link will directly be sold through me. So if you do have any questions, please let me know. I would love to help. If you do get this product and you'd like to try it out, you're a little confused on how to use it, let me know. I would love to help you. So I'm gonna put a towel around me because I am going to get my hair pretty wet. So I am going to start by just sectioning my hair into a couple different sections. So I do have a clip that I have with me, and I'm just gonna section my hair and start spraying this product on it. So what I want to do is, and what you're gonna want to do is start with dry hair. So my hair is completely dry, and I want to get it into as much product as I can onto it. So I want it to be pretty damp, and just make sure that that product is saturated onto the hair. And I really want to focus on the mid shaft and the ends. So the mid shaft is just basically the middle area of your hair, and the ends, the roots of your hair probably isn't going to need as much, just because it's fresh hair, it's not as damaged. But the hair on the ends is obviously really old hair, and it's been processed, and it's been in hard water for so long, and it's been more damaged through the acclimation and things like that. So we're gonna definitely want to focus on the middle and the ends of the hair. So I'm just gonna start taking this and spraying this on my hair, making sure that I once again focus on that middle and the ends. Now, if your hair is really tangly when it is wet, don't take a comb and brush through it. It's really something that you want to take care of your hair when it's in that state. My hair is pretty easy to comb through. I have brushed through it already today, so if I wanted to, I am probably going to, after this, while it's sitting, just take a comb through those sections, just so I make sure it's combed through and it's evenly distributed. If your hair is bleached, or if it's hard to comb through when it's wet, just take it like this and kind of smooth it through with your fingers, kind of rub it in with your hands. This product is amazing. You can actually get it on your hands and it's not gonna hurt it. So once again, I'm just saturating that entire section, and then I'll go through and do the same in the rest of the sectioning in my hair. Now, like I said, this is something that I am going to want to leave on for quite some time. As you can see, my hair did not flop over like it is supposed to, and definitely stood straight up. So I am absolutely going to want to let this sit for a little bit longer on my hair and make sure that it really soaks in, that I've got a bunch of this product on the hair, and it is going to be able to get that product all the way through and soak it in. Another thing to remember about this product is that it is something before you get into the shower to wash your hair. You are going to want to put this on. You can just spray it on. You don't have to section it like this as much, or definitely get as much on. You just kind of spray it on the hair. That way, this will be able to kind of give a coating to the hair, so it's not getting that hard water buildup continuing to be on the hair, and you won't have to do this to your hair as often because that buildup's not going to be on your hair. So I'm going to just continue to put this all over my hair and make sure that it is soaked and soaked really well. And then I will be back and I will show you the water, because sometimes it's really gross when you really think about how much it's rinsed out and how much buildup has come off of the hair. So I'm going to show you the gross dirty water that comes from this, and also just how amazing this product is and being able to cleanse the hair all the way. So stay tuned and I will be right back in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, look at how gross this water is just from the buildup on my hair. Now that I have it washed, I am going to now blow dry it and style it and show everybody the finished product. There is a chance that your hair may feel a little dry after this treatment. The reason for that is because it is literally just stripping that coating of gunk that has been on your hair, out of it. So when we have all of that buildup, sometimes our hair may have the illusion of feeling super soft, but what is actually happening is we are just feeling that coating of product on our hair. So if your hair is dry after this treatment, please just put some conditioner on it, put some oils and some love back into the hair. But yeah, the reason why is it's just stripping all of that product off the hair. So please don't be alarmed. It didn't damage your hair. It just may feel that way for a little bit, but I promise you it's gonna be just fine. So just put some conditioner and some oil on the ends and you'll be back to normal. Okay everybody, so I have officially blow dried and styled my hair. I did use a heat protectant and a little bit of oils just so I can keep my hair healthy when I was blow drying and styling my hair. I also wanted to show everybody how long my hair is and how thick it is as well. I have pretty thick and long hair, and I was able to use just half of the bottle of Pretreat. So this other half I'm still gonna save and use. Either I'm going to use this Pretreat treatment again in a couple months or a couple weeks, just depending on how much I use product in it, how much that buildup is getting on there. And I'm also going to take this and spray it on my hair before I shampoo and condition my hair, just because what this is going to do is act as a shield to prevent that hard water buildup to get on that hair again. So you've just done this treatment, you want to keep up on it, use the rest of this bottle to do that before you shampoo and condition the hair. Now another way to use Pretreat, or another really good option for using Pretreat, is if you have either yourself or little kids that love swimming and you are a blonde and you get kind of that green buildup on your hair, or your child gets green buildup on their hair. This is perfect for clarifying that, rinsing that out, and making that green goo go away. Another thing, if you do have a swimmer or you are a swimmer, to help prevent that buildup is to put this on before they go swimming, or you could also coat the hair with conditioner before they go swimming. That will help their hair not have that green chlorine sink into their hair and help it to be able to have that shine naturally to the hair without that green chlorine buildup on the hair. And another thing that a lot of you may be wondering is, did I use enough of the Pretreat on my hair and did it work? So just like we did before to test the hair on whether or not it stood up, if your hair flops over like this, that means that you did a great job. There are some areas that may be sticking up, and that means you just need to go through and do maybe another treatment on that, but your hair should flop over like this. So if your hair does flop over like this, then that means that you did it right. Your hair is completely healthy now. Maybe not, but for reals. That is a great way to test it. Another thing with Pretreat is if you are a stylist, make sure that you order this for your color clients. You will be using this just before they get their color done. And if you are interested, just reach out to me. I would love to help you if you have any questions about how to use Pretreat as a stylist. We also get discounts for being cosmetologist and stylist, so please reach out to me and I would love to help you get that discount. Also, if you do get your hair colored at the salon, your stylist doesn't use this, or you would like to use this before you go get your color done, this is absolutely safe to use before you get your color done. I would use the Pretreat treatment like I did today, and what you saw today before you go into the salon, probably about a day or two before you go into the salon. You can do it the morning of before you go into the salon. It's just gonna help take literally all of that buildup and gunk, mineral buildup, hard water deposit on your hair, rinse all of that, and help the cuticle of the hair and the hair strand be able to have the color basically stick to the hair a lot better and penetrate and go into the hair so that you have that color lasting a lot longer. Once again, this is amazing for anyone who has hard water buildup in their hair, and please, please, please reach out to me if you have any questions about this, and if you have any questions about any other product, or if this product, if you're still not sure if this is something that your hair could use, please just reach out to me. I would love to help answer any questions that anybody has. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video and for spending a little bit of time with me on this channel here on YouTube. Once again, like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.